In this video, I'm going to cover ApolloX decentralized exchange, one of the top decentralized exchanges on Binance Smart Chain. So in this video, this is going to be a tutorial on how to use the Lite Mode, as well as how to generate rewards prizes from different pools, ALP pools, as well as trading rewards. So let's get started. You can see the main site right here. It's ApolloX.finance, and you can see that they have pretty cool website with a bunch of data on different coins, over 40,000 different traders, 16 billion trading volume, $16 billion, APX locked $35 million. So first of all, there's a coin called APX coming from the ApolloX Finance. This coin is a coin that is native to the ecosystem. It allows you to get different discounts, rebates on trading, and basically the money that comes from trading, part of that comes into fees, into burning the token, into buying, and this is basically a governance token for the whole ApolloX finance ecosystem. The cool thing about ApolloX is that you can also have a mobile app on which you can trade, and of course there are plenty of investors, especially from Binance, because everything is running on Binance Smart Chain, which is great. If you want to start trading, you will need, for example, a MetaMask wallet. You click on Trade Now and you get connected and can go right ahead here. So what you're seeing right now is the basic BTC USDT PEP. So this is the easiest futures to understand. So remember, you're not buying on spot, you're buying a contract, which means that you can get liquidated if you use the leverage too much, because you can go with the leverage up to 200, which is pretty crazy, and you have really high chances then of getting liquidated. What you're looking at also is a Lite Mode. Lite Mode is really cool stuff because you have in the settings up in the top right corner, you can go between Lite, Classic and Full Screen. I will show you Classic as well. Classic is what you might see on most of the centralized exchanges. So for example, if you have been on Binance, you probably can see something like that. This is more complicated with the order book on the right and more parameters to go through. However, if you just want to have the simplest trading experience, you can go with Lite Mode. Again, clicking, hovering over this circle in the top right corner, and then choosing Lite Mode here. This is it for choosing the Lite Mode. As you can see, it's super easy. Now, if I want to, for example, have a position and say go with 20x leverage on Bitcoin, and say I want to put like $25 here, open the long position on Bitcoin, then that's it. Of course, before that, I have to deposit from Binance, BNB, or something else to be able to trade on ApolloX. But after you deposit, you will have your balance and you will be able to see everything. You can see already the position down below in the description. Here you have BTC USDT PEP with the size being 0.001. You can see the history of what I've been buying and selling. You can also see my balance, which is pretty small right now, of $6. But the cool stuff is that you can play with basically anything. So even though I put into, I think, something like $10, I can, because of the leverage, I can go to really huge sizes. But of course, beware of that. You can get easily liquidated, especially if you do more leverage. But it's really cool that ApolloX allows you to go with really huge sizes here as well. So I'm going to close the position for now, because not going to monitor that. This is super easy to actually put longs. The same thing for short. If I were to short, for example, Bitcoin, I can do pretty much the same stuff. For example, $25, open the position, and everything is ordered. I already have the position here, and I can see that I have shorted for 0.001. So if Bitcoin will go down, I will make money on that. However, for now, I'm going to close that. There are daily rewards for trading if you do enough of volume or do other tasks, so it's good to check what's happening. The second thing I wanted to show you is there's the full list of different perps that you can use with major coins, from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, BNB, to a bunch of other things like Dogecoin, Cardano, Solana, and so on. So you have plenty of choice here on the exchange. Having everything decentralized is really cool. So coming next to different coins and different ways to actually get rewards on ApolloX is ALP pool. So ALP pool is basically the new token, Apollo Liquidity pool, and this is for providing liquidity on the platform. However, buying ALP, this is pretty much closely related to other stable coins. This is the composition currently. You buy, basically buying LP is basically buying USDT, BUSD, and this money is being used to trade on the platform. You can stake it, so you buy ILP and you can stake it directly. If you click on buy ILP, you'll be able to exchange your, for example, BUSD or USDT into ALP, and then directly stake that immediately after buying. The current APY is 40%, almost 39%. That's of course is dynamic depending on the market conditions, on the volatility. But it's always nice to have something like that. So you have huge APY here, depending on the volatility of the market. So this is the second coin and the way to get rewards on the platform. So you get rewards from trading, you get discounts by holding APX token, the governance token, with which you can vote as well. If you go to governance, APX token and APX DAO, you can look for that. But also there's this way of staking for mining liquidity on the platform. Altogether, it's really cool to have the opportunity to buy on the spot some of the coins, but of course the main thing is buying futures and going with leverage. So beware of leverage, but also if you feel confident, feel free to use that. Of course, none of that is financial advice. Always do your research. It's purely educational content. So have fun trading, have fun researching, and definitely check out Apollo to see whether you like it. I really like it, so going to do some more trading with it right now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.